Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the flatten, let's see, the shrink and flatten, okay? And we have push pull. We'll talk about the shrink and flatten first, and then we will go to the push and pull, okay? For example, I will select a face, for example this face. I have this face, I can make it like this. It's like shrinking and flattening it, okay, like this. And I can do something like this, okay, or like this. It's like a scale, but the scale will go in the direction of the face. For example, the direction of this face is for in the red axis. It means x-axis, so it will go in this direction, and this one will go in this direction. Let's see. And yeah, in y-axis, and this one in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and show you the shortcut of it. What's the shortcut of it? For example, I will go here and go press 3, and I'll press what? I'll press Alt S. You see, Alt S, it will make the same thing. It's like scale, I told you, but we will press Alt S and it will go in this direction. Alt S. Yeah, that's it. And let me show you the push pull too. Okay. Before that, let's see another thing, another shrink and flatten thing. Let's do something like this and go to the properties of it, and we can do it, change it from here, or offset even, and we can offset it evenly. Let's go to the proportional editing. We can change the size of the bottom one, okay, like this one, and we can change how the proportional size will change, okay, like sphere, like this. I'll put it back into smooth, okay. And let's go to this one, and let's delete this and shift A, and let's go to the cube, and let's go with the tab, and let me go to this one, and let's go to the push and pull. Okay, let's see what it does. It will make the face smaller, like a scale. Okay, for example, like this. I can do this too. Let's see how I can do this. Let me show you. Shift A and go to the cube, and let us change this and scale it like this. I can do something like this and scale it, or something like this. You see, it's same, so don't worry about it too much. So you can use it from this one, or from the alt. You can use this one from scaling push pull, and this one with Alt S, the shrink and flatten. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.